Students, today I will explain you something about optical fibers, optical fiber cables. As you know, only a light signal can be passed through it, not a current signal. So we are having two optical fibers of different lengths. First optical fiber is of 100 centimeter and second optical fiber is of 50 centimeter. As I have already told you, only a light signal can be passed through this optical fiber cable. As we are having a light source, LED is illuminating here. So when you connect one end of optical fiber cable like this, so this light will come out at the second end like this. So the light is coming out at the second end. We will do experiment on this optical fiber cable just to find its attenuation. What is attenuation? Attenuation is a decrease in energy per unit area of wave as a result of increase in distance from source and absorption, scattering and spreading in 3 dimensions. Basically, attenuation is the reduction in the amplitude of a signal. Units of attenuation. Attenuation is always measured in decibels. When you are to find attenuation coefficient, so divide this attenuation with kilometers. Now the main applications of this optical fiber cable, these are widely used in broadcasting, communication, mechanical inspections and in medical industries. In second part of this experiment, I will explain stepwise how to find attenuation in optical fiber cables. Hello students, you are welcome. Today I will explain you experiment on fiber optic strainer kit. So we will do experiment with optical fiber cable. We are having here optical fiber optic strainer kit. In this kit there are 4 parts. Main parts are function generator, light source, microphone, preamplifier and transmitter, phototransistor receiver and amplifier. With the help of this kit, we can perform at least 6 experiments like voice transmission through optical fiber, study of attenuation optical fiber cables, study of bending losses in optical fiber cable, study of analog link, digital link, and last experiment we can do is numerical aperture. So today I will explain you only 2 experiments. First experiment is on attenuation in optical fiber cables and numerical aperture of optical fiber cable. We are having 2 optical fiber cables of different lengths. First optical fiber is of this optical fiber is of 100 centimeter length and second optical fiber is 50 centimeters. So we are having optical fibers. This optical fiber is of, so you are seeing here are the 2 ends. So this optical fiber is 50 centimeter length and this optical fiber is of 100 centimeters of length. So first of all, experiment on attenuation. So I will explain you how to do experiment. First of all, switch on this optical fiber trainer kit from this switch. Just press it. Now first of all, something about this function generator. From this function generator, we can give a current pulse of fixed amplitude. Here is the amplitude switch, and fixed frequency from here. So you can change value of frequency from this changer switch, and here is the multiplier switch like this. You may select it at any position. So here is the toggle switch for changing mode of wave. So we will do this experiment on this sine wave. So it should be, this toggle switch should be on towards sine wave. Okay. So from this function generator, we can give a current pulse of fixed amplitude or fixed frequency to this light source. Here is the light source. So when you give current supply to this light source, so it will glow like this. Next, the section we are concerned with phototransistor and a receiver and amplifier. Okay. So we are concerned with function generator, light source and phototransistor section. Now how to do the experiment, I will explain you stepwise. First of all, connect output of function generator across light sources E and F points. So just connect these 2 points with E and red wire with F point. Just give current supply to this light source. Toggle switch is kept at sine wave. Frequency multiplier at 100th position, just as I have done it already. So this switch is at 100th position. Now we can set frequency at 10th position like this. Just set this switch at 10th position. And amplitude switch, this amplitude switch, just keep it at mid position. So insert one end of short optical fiber cable. So first you are to connect short length of optical fiber cable like this. So just connect one end of optical fiber cable like this at CN1 and second end to CN2 like this. Of phototransistor section. So I have connected this optical fiber cable, first end at CN1 and second end at CN2. Now connect G and I. So here are the 2 connections. Just keep it away. Now connect G point with I point, and like this I have already done it, H with G. Now connect digital multimeter in AC voltage mode. So here is the digital multimeter. So I have set it at AC voltage mode across K and L points. So here are the K and L points. Just connect it like this. Just put this wire in L point and black wire in K point like this. Okay. Now this time voltage is 2.3 volts. Okay. Now we can change frequency and amplitude from here. This way you have to note value of voltage at different frequencies. Different frequencies can be set from this function generator like this. So we can set it at 1K, 10K, like this, 100, 10. So this is the frequency multiplier, and frequency can be changed from this switch. So after taking readings at different values of frequency, you have to change optical fiber cable. Take at least 6 readings at different frequencies like 1 kilohertz, 1.5 kilohertz, 0.5 kilohertz, 0.8 kilohertz, 2 kilohertz and 0.75 kilohertz. So like this, you have to note various readings with 100 centimeters of optical fiber. Now just disconnect this optical fiber cable and connect 100 centimeters of optical fiber cable. So this is the one end of optical fiber cable of 100 centimeter length. So just connect it like this. So this is almost a double length of optical fiber, and second end is here. So I have connected first end of 100 centimeter optical fiber cable at CN1 and second end at CN2. So like in previous case, you have to note various readings of output voltage at digital multimeter by changing frequency of current which is going to this light source from this function generator. So and note down values of 100 centimeter cable and values of 50 centimeter cable. After this, by putting all values in this table, put all values of output in this formula. Loss in attenuation loss is dB per kilometer 20 over L2 minus L1 log of V1 upon V2. Now what is L2 and L1? L2 and L1 are the different lengths of optical fiber cable we are using in this experiment, and V1 is the voltage which you have noted against 50 centimeters of length, and V2 is for 100 centimeters of length. So this is all about this experiment, that is attenuation in optical fiber cable. Thank you.